In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install PyCharm IDE for Python development on Windows. And so before we even install PyCharm, there is one important thing to check is that you have correctly downloaded and installed Python on Windows. So if you haven't installed Python, go to python.org/download. Okay, and here you can download the latest version for Windows. So click on that button. So whatever version it is, just it must be greater than version 3, and the rest doesn't really matter. Okay, so you can now run this and you can install Python, and important step is to add Python 3 to the path. So make sure you check that and then install now. And well, that's it. So now you can close this window and Python is installed. Let's go back to PyCharm. So you can simply search install PyCharm on Google and you will get to this page here on jetbrains.com. And actually this is the installation guide. We can just click here on get PyCharm, okay, to get on the download page. So find the download page, and then you can see on Windows you can install the professional version or the community version. So you're going to install the community version, which is the free version of PyCharm. Okay, so you click on download. Okay, this is going to start downloading, so save the file. Okay, you don't need to worry about this, just wait until the file is downloaded. Okay, and once you have the executable, just run it. So you may have to accept the application and then you click on next. Just choose a destination folder or leave it by default, click on next, and then you can just also click on next here, install, and the installation is now complete. So finish, you can close that. And now, well, to start PyCharm, you can just directly go on the search bar here or type on the Windows command and search for PyCharm. Okay, you can see PyCharm Community Edition, okay, which is here a new application you have. So you can click here and you're going to run PyCharm. So, okay. And here what you can do is, so let's create just a new project. Okay, let's create it and keep the default settings. Okay, you can remove the tips if you don't want them or just keep them. It's going to create a new virtual environment for your new project. All right, and you can see now you have a new project with an already existing main.py Python file. So what you can do, I'm just going to show you one or two options you can set up right now, which are very useful. So you go on File, Settings, and then on the appearance, you can choose the theme. Okay, so maybe you will have that one by default, which, well, if you are going to code all day long, I don't recommend having a light theme. Okay, that's going to make it very hard for you to read and it's quite hard for the eyes. So you can use a dark theme, for example, the dark color, okay, which is actually quite nice, or just any other theme you want. So you choose this, you can click on Apply, and then, well, you can go on Editor, General, and you can click on that, change font size with Control mouse wheel. Okay, I click on that, I click on Apply, OK. And this, with the control and the mouse wheel, you can scroll in, scroll out. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out, which is very convenient if you want to increase the size of the text. So now PyCharm is installed and you can start using it for Python development on Windows. If you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also check out my online courses so you can learn Python step by step in an efficient way by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Thank you for watching, see you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.